You're not turning the mic off. I'm gonna make some money on my YouTube channel. Yeah, no, this dude friending as anyone without knowing their name. Jeez. Can you stop jumping? It's causing earthquakes. No, but she's also my friend. Oh my god, bro. Oh, come on! Yes, into the pit it goes. You can. Wait. Oh! Oh my gosh. Hello! Well, I know. You, still you. It says me. Yeah, no, this is yours.
Yes.
Why is the customers anything or anyone but but huh? What are you saying? How do I phrase it? The customer is anyone from my sister's list but not from mine.
Yeah. Some strangers I don't know.
Friending random strangers. Yay! It's time to go home. What? Why is the freezer off?
Hey, I have some important news for you.
Oh my gosh.
If a strange-looking kid comes, give him an ice cream with bubblegum flavor twice. You don't want to know what happens if you don't.
I still have an ice cream basket. Hoy! What does he want? Bubblegum? Hoy! I'm joking. Why would I be mad?
Okay, never mind. Why can I close the door?
You're damn lucky I can't. Ah! Vanilla. Vanilla. One more and it could have been 6, 7. Okay. Why does she get to be the employee of the month but not me? Yana,
That.
this is yours.
Who's that?
This is yours. You're welcome. If the power goes out again, I swear to gosh, I'm going to I'm going to quit this job. David!
Fake headless, that's right.
Pineapple, vanilla, chocolate. Refill. Vanilla. You're making me refill it. Okay. Okay. And who is this?
I think this is
Oh my gosh! Green apple's already out. Alright, got it. We're almost out of chocolate. Hey, so this is one of yours again. Yes, it is. Who even is that? It's just kidding. Well, okay. Kiana, so this is one of yours again. Come on. Don't deny it. It's so obvious it's yours. It came from your friend's list. I'm trying to get in your way so you won't give your order.
Then eat mine.
What do you mean?
Just like scares away my stupid.
Oh no. Why me? What was that? Yeah, I'm asking the same question too. Yana. So obviously it's from you.
No, it's not.
Stop getting. Hey, so Yana, I think it's quite obvious.
No. I think it lemon in case if it runs out. It's not good lemon.
Yana,
This is definitely not my
wait. This might be mine.
No. I have a friend.
Is this Ren or am I crazy? I swear.
Maybe should come on. No,
Lemon, vanilla.
come on.
Oh, come on.
Put your damn lemon. Put your lemon box, bro.
Okay. Can you stop?
Oh. Yo! Oh, wait, what's the tip? Oh,
I,
why is it only once?
you know, it ran out. Why is Toothless here? Why is Toothless here? No, come back, Toothless! I'll take a walk with you. Don't worry. Toothless! Hey, so. Oh my god.
What are you doing?
Who are you? I was acting like a customer.
Huh?
I was acting like a customer. And yes, it's already obvious. Oh my god, it ran out! Of course it did. Give order. Give order. Give order.
Is there a
Hey, looks like you.
No.
Is it no? Whatever. This is the one who's already in old age. Come on, why do you think we'll be the one who's going to burn? You know? I cannot tell if you're a girl or a boy because of your voice. Wait, that just rhymed. I cannot tell if you're a boy or a girl because of your voice. Oh yeah, boy! What am I doing?
Oh, it's trying to be something in front of them.
Camera? Where? Stupid. Boy! Back behave! Yes, sir. Hey. Hey, I only have a phone.
The next right there.
No. Oh my gosh, next order doesn't exist.
I'm glad you picked up. You need to listen. She is coming tonight, whatever you do. Just pretend she's not there. I have to go now. Pretend she's not there.
Ooh. Can I refill chocolate? I'm nervous. Do you have a friend like this? You know? Have you actually have a friend like that? Come on! You didn't tell me you already had it. I'm scared. I'm very scared. What if we don't ignore the herd? Can you stop that? Is that Michael Jackson?
Not funny.
I haven't even don't order yet.
It's
Never mind, it's yours. I'm too late. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh, come on. Come on, Anna. We already know. I don't know. Wait, I'm kind of late to the question. No, I don't want to jump scare my friend. Maybe. Why are you here again? Huh?
Throw it. Throw it.
guess who got me traumatized?
What happened in the bathroom? Was there someone behind or something?
Yes, they were crying. And it was a girl with pink dress, I think. And they were
Why is a prisoner here?
I'm reporting the cops on you! Did you just break out of jail? Can I eat this? No, I can't. What do you do?
Why did she come again?
I am.
Hi, Dynamite. What do you do it?
Mm.
Okay, you're so traumatized.
No! Ah, it is truly a good ship. I just love the customers. The one who always takes the restrooms. The one who always comes back. And the one that always, never mind. This job's awesome. I hope no monsters or anything bad happen to me. It sure is a good night, huh? Don't you agree? 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 Agree. No. Yes, ignore. Let's refill the non-existent, no refilled thing. We're gonna die on the floor here. We're going to freeze.
Hey, I need help. Please. I'm down the alley next to your ice cream shop.
Like that. No. No, 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 no.
Here.
Come on, I've already faced her. I faced through, that's, oh, the girl is there. Girl. gonna rewatch all our moments.
Okay, fine. Go, go.